So we start off today's video with someone who is going to be dyeing their hair red. Now red is probably one of the easiest colors that you can do at home. So it looks like she's going to be doing the undercolor trend. Also dyeing her bangs. Wow, absolutely gorgeous results. Color came out so bold and beautiful. She did an amazing job. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, so if you feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone else coloring their hair. They are at the salon getting this done. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. She got like a gray dimensional look. Absolutely stunning. Then we have someone dyeing their hair pink. So at first I thought maybe she was just gonna do pieces, but I think she's doing her entire head with this color. Wow, it came out really nice. It's like a really pretty light pink. And then we have another hair color transformation. This time this one is by Professional. Oh wow. I'm not even sure what color this is. It's like a really unique shade. Caramel, maybe? It's really pretty. And then we have another salon hair color transformation. Oh, gorgeous blonde. Her hair looks so much brighter and healthier than when she first started out. It's amazing what color can do. So we have another salon transformation. So the stylist cuts the ends. Looks like she wanted like more of a mid-length haircut, and then the stylist is going in with some color. Ooh, that is a lot of foil. Oh, wow. So she She went like ash blonde. Ash blonde or bright blonde, really pretty color. So we have another hair color transformation here. Now this person looks like obviously they like to have a lot of fun with their hair. And it looks like now they're going in with like a rainbow. Lots of pretty rainbow colors for this transformation. Purple and pink at the top. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Such a gorgeous color combination. Absolutely stunning. It's like mesmerizing the way that the stylist did it. Oh, so pretty. Then we have someone else who is going to be adding in colored extensions. So I was talking about this in a previous video. If you want to add some color to your hair without actually risking damaging your hair by coloring it, mixing in colored braids is a great option to try out. You can also just do that with regular extensions as well. They don't necessarily have to be braids. You can just simply do colored extensions and mix them into your hair for a bit of fun. So here we have another bold hair color transformation. Looks like they're doing a combination of pink and red. Kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day, which is like a couple of days away or a week or so away. Oh, wow. You can barely see the pink though, like the red really overtakes the pink. But this is really gorgeous color. Very bold and vibrant. And the way that the curls look with the color just looks so pretty. So we have someone getting a perm here. Great way to add some texture. And then she did a roller set. Alright you guys, so if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, you can check out this video next.